po, gaya ng mga past interviews na tinanong sa amin yung about PTSD. As we all know, even us, hindi rin kami knowledgeable about PTSD. Kasi sometimes, merong details na sinasabi na, oh, ganito ang may PTSD. Ito yung mga triggers. Pero as a person na merong PTSD, ano nga ba yung pinagdadaanan nila? So, hindi kasi siya natin natatackle. So, we're just hoping and praying na start ng film na to, more than the blockbuster, more than the whatever na kikitain ng movie, we're trying to aim din na yung advocacy mas mag-last. The story na may mga bagay tayong hindi natatakol na sana this time around, maging mas ready na tayong itakol yun. Kasi marami, for sure, maraming may pinagdadaan ng ganyan. And hindi lang naman kailangan sumaba ka sa gera para magkaroon ka ng ganong pinagdadaanan. So sana, we're just hoping na starting from now, from this film, Topak, mas maging aware and mas maging kind tayo sa bawat isa because we don't know kung ano pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So yun lang.
And yeah, I think I agree with what Julia said. Definitely to continue, there has to be sustainability towards it. It's not just a film, but the film lasts a lifetime. That's one of the reasons why we actually said yes to this film. There's an advocacy with it, and this is a great opportunity for us. Sabi nga ni Julia, tama, we don't know the corners of each and every level of PTSD, but rest assured we have studied it through the researchers. We also have a roundtable discussion that you guys could watch online because definitely meron po kaming psychiatrist on board na kahit dun sa roundtable kami din natututo along the way. Because obviously as actors, we can only do so much. We do our own researches, we do our own things, but definitely to be part of an advocacy besides the fun of doing a film would always be great. So I guess to answer your question, to sustain this, I think the film itself will sustain and remind people of mental health awareness. Pero for us to be able to continue it, I think amongst ourselves as individual citizens, no, that now we're aware, we could spread it amongst ourselves, not just through movies, but through our everyday lives. So maraming salamat. Thank you.
Can I add? Because I have strong feelings about this as well. Just like in the movie, maraming physical things na nangyayari sa mga tao. Health-wise, you get injured, makikita mo bali ang buto. Pag nabarel, makikita mo may butas yung ano. Ang maganda dito sa film is that it also shows that mental health matters and we cannot see the wounds until we talk about